celebrating Dia's first birthday. I think Charlie wants to thank you too. And, okay, let's sing happy birthday to Dia.
All right.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dia. Happy birthday to you.
Family here to celebrate, and a special thank you to Preeti for making another cake for Dia's
Beautiful.
birthday. So treasured. Thank you so much, babe. Thank you, everyone. We love you.
We love you too.
We love you.